Wouldn't it be nice to have just one little habit that makes your husband appreciate you so much, that makes him fall in love with you again like when you were dating? Here's the habit I'm going to give you. It's a simple habit. Now, I want you to understand something about the marriage foundation. We don't base what we teach on Western psychological thought or trendy ideas. I used to be a divorce mediator until 2001, and so I'm very practical. And then a couple asked me to help them save their marriage, and I did a deep dive on marriage from the perspective of how do we get what we want out of our marriage instead of going through the garbage bins of, well, he does this to me. Why does he treat me that way? And, why can't she do this? And why can't she do that? I don't go there at all. Not in my books, not in the online courses, not in my articles, not in the videos. I don't talk about that stuff because it's irrelevant. You got married, and when I say based on what you want in your marriage, you don't even know what you want in your marriage. I'm going to ask you right now, what do you want in your marriage? Write it down in the comment section, okay? Stop the video and write down what you want in your marriage. And now I'm going to tell you what you really want in your marriage, and I want you to compare it, okay? Let's do a little test. What you really want in your marriage, number one, happiness. Number two, manifested love. And number three, harmony. And guess what? Your marriage is literally designed for those three things. In fact, it's crazy that we're not taught how to move and operate our marriage in such a way as to manifest those things, but it's because people don't know. What we do, what happens when you go to therapy or couples counseling is it starts out with, okay, tell me what's wrong, what's going on. And boom, there's a bunch of labeling, blaming, it's insane. And it's a competition for who's a bigger jerk. And then you end up getting a divorce anyway. So we're not going to do that. What we want to do is we want to talk about how to achieve. What is that habit that I should incorporate into how I am with my husband that will change everything? And here's that habit. It's an inner thing. Are you ready for this? The habit is cultivating your love. And how do you do that? By constantly reminding yourself of why you got married. And don't go into the mundane stuff. Oh, he's so handsome. Oh, he's so strong. Oh, he's so smart. Don't go there. Those are cool, but don't go there. Very simple. He's my soulmate. God put us together. And God doesn't make mistakes. And when he is not nice to me, or when I'll say it, when he's aggravating me, I'm going to remind myself that God loves me and he gave me the perfect soulmate. He is, out of all the billions of people in the world, God put the two of us together. Why? Because God loves us and he wants us both to be happy. Not just happy like, oh boy, I got to eat dessert today. Happy like when you had that surge of love coming up in your heart that just overwhelms you. That is real marriage. That's what it's really all about. Does it come naturally? No, it does not come naturally. It is there. All right, I'll give you just a little bit more. What happens is we have a mind, and the mind is constantly pushed by the body. We call psychophysiology. The mind is constantly pushed by the body to be self-protective, and it goes too far. It considers every little thing to be like, whoa, watch out for this, watch out for that. and it undermines our attention to the love. So make it a habit to constantly remind yourself, he is my perfect soulmate, and I love him with all my heart, mind, and soul, and I'm going to build that love every day in every way. I'm Paul Friedman. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the video, leave a comment, tell me about your marriage, tell me about what's going on. I love hearing from you. God bless you. Take care.